What if I told you a 580 credit score is not a life sentence? Let me show you how you can make a roadmap to a $50,000 personal loan. Money Magnets, I'm Marvin Smith, and today I'm breaking down State Department Federal Credit Union, or SDFCU, and how you can start off with a real plan to $50,000 even if you have a 580 credit score. I know you may not have perfect credit, no years of history, but you need a plan. Stick around for the homework at the end that I'm going to give you. Money Magnets, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get in the door and where this credit union can take you. Now, here's the move. You don't need to work for the State Department to join SDFCU. You join a group called the American Consumer Council. It costs you almost nothing. And once you're in, you're a member for life. That membership is your key, and that key opens the Savings Secured Platinum Card. Remind me to give you the promo code to join the ACC for free. Now, here's the problem. Most cards want you to have a 680 credit score if they're unsecured. They want years of credit history. If you don't have that, they slam the door and you get denied. SDFCU does it different. Then you start with something called the Savings Secured Platinum Rewards Credit Card. That card is built for a 580 score. It's not the finish line. It's the beginning of a roadmap to a 700 credit score. Now, if you're ready, guys, I want you to drop ready in the comments if you're taking notes and you want $50,000 in funding. Make sure you pay attention, Money Magnets. Oh, and so I don't forget that promo code for the ACC is consumer. That's how you get it for free. All right, a 580 credit score is not the average, but let's get you to a plan that can raise your score. Now, this is how it works. You put down a savings deposit, maybe between $300 and $1,000, whatever you can afford. That deposit becomes your credit limit, and you use the card like a normal credit card. On-time payments get reported to the bureaus every month. That helps you build your credit profile instead of you buying all of those credit builders. You can build credit and start at least 3 relationships with credit unions of your choice. Look, check out some of our other videos. Now, here's the part most people never hear and they never understand. This card is not meant to stay secured forever. Look, after 6 to 12 months of on-time payments, SDFCU can graduate you to an unsecured card. So then you got the same relationship, better terms, your deposit gets released back to you. While you're doing that, you also want to be doing credit repair in the background, cleaning up old late payments, disputing errors, and paying down other balances. Look, guys, I tell people this all the time. Do this at the same time and your score will move up faster. Look in the description later. I have a surprise that can help you speed up that process. Once you've graduated to the unsecured card and your score has climbed, that's when you go after the SDFCU personal loan. Give that unsecured card 6 to 12 months of solid payment history. That history is what gets you approved for other products, including the big credit limit on that personal loan up to $50,000. Now, wait until you hear what else can build your credit profile. Don't forget about that homework later in the video. Get those notes out. Number 2 on the list is what can help you build credit alongside the secured card. Purchasing or refinancing a vehicle can really help you build credit. Auto loans can help you build your way to that $50,000 personal loan because it's secured and the credit union feels more comfortable making you a loan with limited credit. So let's talk about what you actually get when you get approved for an auto loan. Now, auto loans at SDFCU offers competitive rates on new and used vehicles with an APR as low as 3.99%. They got terms up to 84 months. And remember, you can refinance or you can purchase. Oh, and I almost forgot, no payment for the first 90 days. Now, that's a cash flow changer. Now, third on the list, the personal loans up to $50,000. This is what you've been waiting for. They have a low rate as low as 8.49%. They got fixed monthly payments, terms up to 60 months. And guess what, guys? No prepayment penalties, which means you can pay this car off as soon as you can. And fourth, they got mortgages, which can also help you build credit. So SDFCU does home purchases and refinance loans for members who built up their profile with them. Guys, I want you to know this. This is a credit union that grows with you, and you don't have to leave once you outgrow the secured card. Now let's switch gears for a second, because most people stop at the secured card, and that's the mistake. This is where you actually start to build real options. Look, it's not about the 50,000. I know that's why you guys are all excited. It's about the roadmap to redemption. The secured card with credit repair running alongside it. Look, that's crazy. It's going to help you get the unsecured card within 6 to 12 months of history. Then you get the personal loan, then the mortgage or the auto loan, whichever one you need. I'm not advocating that you go in debt just to build credit, but if you need these things, a car or a home, then you move to that next. That's the whole thing, guys. Remember, relationship. Relationship is the key. And wait until you hear how fast some of our money magnets have moved through this exact path. Don't forget about that homework. I'm about to give it to you in a couple seconds. Look, we've seen members go from a 580 score and a secured card to an unsecured card of $15,000 in under a year, because they paired payment history with real credit repair at the same time. That's the combo. Look, it's not one or the other. You have to do both. Now, I want to talk to a different group of people with 700 credit scores right now, and you ready to start with the plan to get you up to $250,000. And I want to say this, there is no reason you should not be on the call with us. I'm going to invite everybody that's watching this video to a free business strategy call. But remember, you have to have a 700 credit score before you book that call. And on that call, we're going to discuss our fundability formula and how you can become more fundable. We look at your credit report. If you have a business, we look at that also, and we help you develop a roadmap to $250,000 or more. And I want you to know, Gloria and I, we've helped thousands of money magnets do exactly this. I'm talking about real people, real approvals. This is not theory. We have a bunch of testimonies. Here's your homework, guys. Write it down right now. Don't miss one step if you have a 580 credit score. So number one, I want you to join the American Consumer Council. Remember, the promo code is consumer. Number two, I want you to open the Savings Secured Platinum Rewards card. Number three, I want you to start credit repair the same week. Don't wait. Look in the description. Number four, after 6 to 12 months of on-time payments, ask the credit union about graduating to an unsecured card. Number five, give that unsecured card another 6 to 12 months, then apply for a personal loan or a car loan. Follow that order. Don't skip a step. And guys, by the way, look at this testimony right here.
What up? This is Matt Barnes. Throughout my MBA career, I was desperately trying to find people to help me improve my credit score. I paid tens and thousands of dollars for empty promises. About 2 years ago, I found my guy Marvin on Instagram with luxury credit hacks, and it changed my life. It took my score from a low 500 to the mid 700s, and it's still climbing. You guys need to check them out. They changed my life. They can change yours. You can find them at luxurycredithacks.com and tell them I sent you.
All right, I know you might be thinking, Marvin, I got higher than a 580 credit score and I'm ready for $100,000. Well, on Sunday, guys, I want you to know this. I dropped a banger, and here it is right here on the screen, and I'll see you over there. And remember, money magnets, let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.